This video will show you how to replace the roof drip molding on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have one of these along each side of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now along either side of the vehicle, you're going to open your doors. This is where we can see our roof drip molding. Along the front is going to be the easiest area to start the removal process. For this, just go ahead and take hold of it. It should want to slide up and out of place. We're going to pull it right out of here. As you can tell, that's fairly easy. Now let's continue on towards the rear. You're going to have to open up your rear door as well. Now along the upper rear corner here, you're going to find that you have a small plastic push tab leading straight in, and as you make your way down along this area, there's going to be several more tabs that we'll have to release. We're using a plastic trim tool. As you can tell, my plastic tab did stick in the body of the vehicle. We will have to remove that, but let's continue on. Our new drip molding did come with new plastic tabs. We do not have to worry about breaking these. And there it is, friend. Of course, the thorough inspection of the body of the vehicle as we make our way up along the rearward side here. If any of your plastic clips are still stuck in place, go ahead and remove them. There's that one. Set it aside for disposal. Make our way up. After you remove any plastic clips from this area, go ahead and clean the area down with your preferred cleaner. We're going to make our way all the way across this side of the vehicle. As we make our way down along the front, we're going inside behind the front fender. Let's go ahead and clean that up as well as possible. After it's clean, we always like to make sure nothing's rotted, damaged, or weak in any way. After everything's thoroughly cleaned and inspected, it's time to install the brand new roof drip molding. For this, we're going to start along the rearward corner. As you remember, during the removal process, we had several locking tabs that make their way down along the rearward side. Let's start up along the top area with our circular port first. I can see my small tab. We're just going to align that and we'll press it in. Continuing on, we're going to make our way down the line here and then towards the front of the vehicle. We'll pivot this as necessary. We're aligning our tabs and pressing them in. Double check to make sure that's secured all the way up. Now, as we make our way across towards the front, you're going to find that the body of the vehicle has a small lip. If we were looking at this seal, you're going to find that it has a groove for that lip to fit into. It goes all the way across. As you look closely, right where my index finger is, you can tell where that lip will need to end. We have an area on the rubber. This indicates where everything should align. We're aligning this so we can press it in. We'll take our time as we make our way towards the front. Double check along the rearward side. This is looking good. Okay, we're in front of the rear door here. Make our way all the way down along the front. Now we'll pause there. We want to take the forward side of this and we're going to carefully slide it in and behind the front fender area. Obviously, we don't want to cause any damage. Once you do have it slid in there, we can continue on with the rest of the installation process here. We're starting up along this area, making our way down towards the front corner at the end. Carefully reach inside the front fender area, being aware of any pinch points. We don't want anybody getting hurt here, but we do want to make sure this is completely pressed in. Go ahead and take hold of that. We're going to give it a little wiggle and double check to make sure it's secured all the way around. Okay, friend, we showed you the installation on one side of the vehicle. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Now, once you've completed the installation, you always want to make sure you test the door functionality. Open and shut each door as needed. Double check to make sure everything's seated as it needs to be. Close all doors and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.